Acumatica Construction Edition is a cloud-based construction and accounting software that connects general contractors, subcontractors, and home builders with financials, job costs, projects, and more. It streamlines time-intensive processes and enables a complete real-time view of your business. With office and field workflows, teams can streamline and automate repeatable tasks, increase efficiency, minimize errors, and collaborate in a more productive and agile way. Built on the world's best cloud and mobile platform, it has a unique all-inclusive user licensing model. The project overview dashboard provides access to different types of widgets such as graphs, charts, tables, and embedded web pages. You can even view a live camera feed from the job site. Other features include a change order log, project management functionality, and financial dashboards for controllers to manage cash requirements, top overdue balances, and more. Within the project's window, users have access to all project information, including a Balances tab with drill-down capabilities so that users can easily view all of the applicable transactions like purchase orders, timesheets, and subcontracts. Project management functionality includes access to RFIs, project issues, drawing logs, daily field reports, photo logs, and submittals. The system generates daily field reports with information on change requests, changed orders, subcontractors, visitors, and weather. To learn more, visit our website or contact our team to discover how Acumatica ERP can streamline workflows, connect teams, and ensure profitable projects.